trill, nigga.
Yeah.
D-Town boy. Keep it real, nigga. Shit. Breaking bars up in my room. Fucking waiting on a bitch to come through.
Yeah.
She's kind of slow. So what the fuck? She's a slow ass nigga. Crackhead, what? Dog, she fucking straight.
Quarter miles.
You know what I'm saying? I just chill, you know what I'm saying?
In the motherfucking building, you know, doing the
motherfucking fresh to hell, you know what I'm saying?
Doing the motherfucking thing.
Take care of peace, you know.
I see you, you know. Over here,
Hey, you break a huncho real quick, bro?
A hundo?
Break a huncho. Break a huncho real quick.
Break a hundo?
100.
Break a hundred. You hold the camera.
I will hold the camera.
You hold the camera.
Yeah, break a hundred. Good.
I'm gonna break it. Relax. You know, pulling out the motherfucking coach. You know.
Yeah, go ahead. Nice. Come on, hurry up, man. Come on. This is for school.
Huh?
This is for school.
This is for school.
All right, come on.
That's the 100. I just need
Can you get 250?
250. I don't have.
You have all 20s then? Yes, you do.
Come on, man.
Well, here, buy something, dog. That's all you got.
You know, where that is 6 to 8 minutes.
Anybody this lighter, please?
What do you mean 6 to 8 minutes?
Anybody this lighter, please?
I don't want to buy a lighter.
To buy a lighter? I didn't talk. They're not sucker, though.
Dog, just wait 8 minutes, dog.
Good.
That's what he said, 8 minutes.
Can you break it like that? You gotta go, dog. It's almost done.
Eventually, to 8 to 10 minutes to wait. You still want to do it?
We can't wait.
Why? What do you gotta do?
Why can't you just, give us, 420?
You see the sign outside, we can keep not more than $25 on the register.
Oh, no, I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Alright, dang it. Dang it.
Look at that nigga show.
Yeah. Never mind then. What'd you get? Thank you, sir.
We'll go
Watch out. You know something everything? You're a hoe, dude. He's a hoe ass nigga.
Hey,
He's a
give me a screenshot.
He's
Give me a screenshot, you know what I'm saying? Hustles Union, we in the motherfucker.
yeah, come up.
Yeah, you know, hey, I get that camera on my fucking face, motherfucker.
Are you gonna do it, fool?
Nigga, don't get the camera off his
Hurry up, fool. I gotta go somewhere for real.
Alright, hold the camera.
You gonna do it real fast? Hurry up, nigga.
Come on with me, cameraman.
Alright.
You like recording your day?
I do.
He's retired.
I didn't know what happened.
Right?
Watch that shit.
Come on, nigga. Yeah, there you go. Here's this barred ass nigga, slow as fuck. Watch how barred out he is. Oh, he dropped his shade. Barred. Come on. Come on. Cause you're sloppy, right? You're gonna see this and be like, damn, I was sloppy. Come on, fool.
You come on, fool.
How y'all doing? Can y'all break 100?
Yeah, we just need to break 100, you know what I'm saying?
Like you're buying something.
Here, buy something. Buy
Man,
something.
I hate buying stuff.
You a dude, your mouth's slaying, fool. Here's buy that. Nice playing. Oh, lunch on the counter. Come on.
Actually,
You should get that, fool.
bitch, my breath don't smell.
Come on, there's a little kid right there. Cousin. I'm fresh. You're pretty. It's just a compliment. I'm not a nasty person.
We rappers.
Here, give her the 100.
Alright, but damn, I don't know what kind of lighter it was.
He's a jerk.
I'm a jerk.
You're a retard.
I'm a jerk.
You're a retard.
I'm a jerk.
You're a retard.
I'm saying,
Dude.
you know, new tracks coming out soon.
Okay, we're gonna see. On it.
There's 20, 40, 60, 80, 90.
Thank you, ma'am.
99.
You bought it lighter, you stupid. Come on, dog.
Oh, yeah. What'd you just say to her?
I said she was real cute.
Nah, you gotta be talking that shit.
Come on, No one's for your boy, please. Woo!